So I'm out here and it's raining. I decided to come outside and see how much, I think we're up to an inch of rain now. It started raining last night and it has not stopped. So we have buckets on the side to catch water. Not that we really need any more. We have captured a ton of water. It'll be interesting to see what happens with this, what do you call it? The water catchment tank. Oh my. Yeah, he's got a screen over that little entrance point to keep out the bugs and stuff. He said there was a big June bug on it, but the bales for the house are still sitting there, and yeah, our timing was really great. So our straw bale house will have to wait until it dries up. So the main reason I wanted to come out and film was to walk down I was planning on walking down to the wash. I have to play hopscotch with the all those. Look at them, they're just everywhere. Oh boy. I don't like it. I don't like it. They're everywhere. Oh well. Oh boy. Yeah, it's kind of cool to walk in the rain, because in Arizona we really don't get all that much rain. I'm sliding right now. Oh my, I'm sinking. It's very muddy. So if we try to leave, it's not a good idea to leave. So we always make sure that we have enough. We're always prepared for just in case we get stuck and are unable to leave. I have like rice and beans, and I have frozen vegetables and things, so we are able to oh, isn't this pretty? Oh, I think it just stopped. Or it slacked off a little bit anyway. Oh my, it's very slippery on the road, but my main reason for walking down here is because I wanted to talk about what Brian did for the last week. Like every day he went to get mulch, because the road with all of this rain, it's not great. So the roads that we live on, to live off grid, you know, you gotta take the good and along with the good and the bad. I don't know what I'm saying, but what I'm saying is I'll probably have to cut all this out because I don't know what I'm saying. What I'm saying is Brian has been getting a lot of mulch because he's putting it on the road in hopes that it will keep the road from washing away as much. And he figured out yesterday, I think that he said that it was like $118 of gas that he spent. It cost us $60 to fill up our tank, and he went back and forth like 6 times. So each time he gets a load of mulch, he's put it down here. All right. What the heck is this stuff? I don't know. It almost looks like animal droppings of some sort, but I don't know what sort that is. I might just go falling down because some of this squishy stuff is just like clay, slippery, slidey. Oh gosh, yeah, that road down there is like pure clay. So I thought I heard there is a lady that bought land down there, and I seem to recall that I thought that she was trying to get out. Oh boy, it's really coming down now. It literally is like a jungle here. It's really pretty. So here we go. This is what I wanted to show, what Brian's been doing. My legs are getting wet. I'm going back and forth because I'm trying to find a spot that's not, that I'm not going to go sliding. Here we go. So this is the wash. And he put mulch on this side and on the other side. Oh, I'm slipping. I'm sliding. So hopefully we'll be able to drive in and out of here. Wow. The wash has not started to run yet. Oh, that's interesting. What the heck? I don't know what that is, but... Oh, that's a big stump. I know what that is, but... Yeah, I don't think we're going to get out of here anytime soon, but we usually have to let it dry up for a couple of days, so... Anyway, Brian has been very busy doing this, so some of you, Brian Stern, ha ha ha. Brian Stern, real funny. You're so funny, Brian Stern. Brian Stern is a friend of ours. Sometimes he makes funny comments. So if you're wondering about midlife crisis, well, it's kind of like nothing's really happening on that channel, but Brian has been very busy and he just hasn't felt like doing anything on there. So he's just taking a break. He'll be back eventually. I just have to leave him alone when it comes to that. But all right, I'm gonna be quiet now, but anyway, Brian's done a really good job on this. Stay tuned to see if we can get out in the next couple of days. Thank you, bye.